Hello friends, today we will see we are not going to see the disadvantage only, because yes, transistor have number of plenty of applications, plenty of advantages, but have two major disadvantages. ओके तो कोई भी चीज़ के अगर डिसएडवांटेजेस आ जाते हैं तो उसे ओवरकम करने के लिए एक नया इन्वेंशन हो जाता है, राइट? सो इट हैज़ टू डिसएडवांटेजेस, जिसमें से फर्स्ट वी कैन से इसका जो इनपुट इम्पिडेंस है, द इनपुट इम्पिडेंस इज़ वेरी लो। वेरी लो मतलब यहाँ पे आपको इन सम मेगा ओहम्स यू कैन से, लाइक वाइल कंसिडरिंग, अगर आप थोड़ा सा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस पे ध्यान दे देते हो एंड इफ़ यू टेक केयर ऑफ फ्यू थिंग्स, तो यू कैन इम्प्रूव द इम्पिडेंस, इसका इनपुट इम्पिडेंस आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो, ठीक है? बट it is again a very micromanagement process, so we can say it is not impossible but quite hard. Okay, now the second disadvantage is that it having noisy operation. Okay, so the operation, whatever operation we have, we can use transistor as an amplifier, as a differentiator, or we are using it as a filter, not a filter, we can use it as a switch. It is having noisy operation. अभी आप बोलोगे कि अगर आई एम यूजिंग वन ट्रांजिस्टर, आई एम नॉट getting any kind of noise, लेकिन when we are going in the embedded system having number of thousands of transistor over there, that time this effects. तो ये जो दो इम्पिडेंसेस हैं उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में एक नए डिवाइस का इन्वेंशन हुआ, जिसे हम कहते हैं FET, फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर। ओके, तो ये क्या करता है, यहाँ पे जो इनपुट इम्पिडेंस होता है दैट इज़ इन हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मेगा ओहम। तो ये हमें जो एडवांटेजेस हमें ट्रांजिस्टर में मिले थे उसको ओवरकम करने में हेल्प करता है। जैसे ट्रांजिस्टर PNP टाइप था, वैसे ही ये फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर भी PNP और NPN होता है, ठीक है? इसके जो दो टाइप्स आते हैं, एक होता है JFET, दैट इज जंक्शन फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर, और एक होता है MOSFET, जो होता है मेटल ऑक्साइड सेमीकंडक्टर फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर। तो अगर हम JFET के बारे में अभी बात करेंगे तो वी विल हैव सिंबलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ JFET एज, इसको भी ट्रांजिस्टर की तरह एरो होता है, एंड दैट एरो विल इंडिकेट कि ये N चैनल है और P चैनल है। तो यहाँ पे इफ़ वी हैव द एरो, दिस इज़ अ गेट, दिस इज़ द ड्रेन एंड दिस इज़ द सोर्स। तो यहाँ पे नेम चेंजिंग हो गया है, लाइक इट इज़ हैविंग गेट, ड्रेन एंड सोर्स, जहाँ पे हम ट्रांजिस्टर में बेस, कलेक्टर, इमिटर काइंड ऑफ टर्मिनल्स को बोलते थे। तो ये अगर एरो हेड इज टुवर्ड्स द स्टैंडिंग लाइन, अंदर अगर एरो हेड है तो दैट इज नथिंग बट द N channel MOSFET, N channel JFET, and if the same arrow towards the outside, then we can call it as a P channel, and again this is the drain, gate and source, and this symbol represents P channel JFET. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो ऑपरेशंस हैं, तो वी कैन से ऑल द ऑपरेशंस वी कैन परफॉर्म लाइक ट्रांजिस्टर। तो इसका जो बेसिक प्रिंसिपल होता है JFET को, अगर हम यहाँ पे लाइक इफ़ वी आर गिविंग गेट टू सोर्स, if we are giving some voltage, then it will be in conduction. Okay, so इसका जो मतलब जैसे कि हमारा ड्रेन टू सोर्स वोल्टेज है, वो वोल्टेज ज़ीरो रहेगा जब हमारा गेट टू सोर्स वोल्टेज ज़ीरो है, एंड व्हेन वी हैव रिवर्स बायस VGS, मतलब VGS को रिवर्स बायस करेंगे मतलब गेट को देंगे निगेटिव एंड सोर्स को देंगे पॉजिटिव। व्हेन वी गिव दिस टाइप ऑफ इनपुट वोल्टेज, देन इसके अंदर जो डिप्लीशन रीजन क्रिएट होगा वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, तो कंडक्शन चैनल का विड्थ रिड्यूस हो जाएगा एंड इट विल नॉट अलाउ टू कंडक्ट, और ड्रेन का जो करंट है वो डिक्रीज हो जाएगा। अगर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे जो रिवर्स वोल्टेज है उसको जैसे ही बढ़ाया तो ड्रेन करंट विल रिड्यूस, लेकिन अगर इसका वोल्टेज हम लोगों ने रिड्यूस किया, डिक्रीज किया, दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन, द रिवर्स वोल्टेज अगर हम डिक्रीज करते हैं तो डिप्लीशन लेयर भी डिक्रीज होगा, विच विल इंक्रीज द कंडक्शन थ्रू द ड्रेन एंड सोर्स। सो हमारा ड्रेन करंट विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग। नाउ वी विल सी कि अगर हम जेफेट और ट्रांजिस्टर के बारे में बात करेंगे, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट दिस जेफेट एंड ट्रांजिस्टर, देन देर आर few differences in it. So first we will see, so JFET and transistor, as you know we call transistor as a bipolar transistor, right? So they both have few differences, जिसमें सबसे important and पहला difference we can say कि JFET में, जिसे हम यूनिपोलर बोलते हैं, JFET में सिर्फ एक टाइप का कैरियर यूज़ होता है फॉर करंट कंडक्शन। ओके, तो मतलब या तो आपके होल्स करंट को कंडक्ट करेंगे या फिर आपके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स करंट को कंडक्ट करेंगे, बट इन केस ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर बोथ होल्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बोथ आर इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर करंट कंडक्शन। तो वहाँ पे दोनों भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, इसीलिए उसे हम बाइपोलर बोलेंगे एंड हियर ओनली वन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, सो इट्स ए यूनिपोलर। देन सेकेंड वी कैन से कि जेफेट में जो हम ट्रिगरिंग पल्स देते हैं दैट इज टू द गेट टर्मिनल, जो कि कंट्रोल करता है गेट विल अलाउ ड्रेन करंट टू फ्लो और नॉट, right? But in a transistor we are not having any gates, so there we have a base terminal and that terminal will control collector side of like collector current, right? Now the third important difference is that if we give the if we put JFET into reverse bias, that means we give VGS is equal to negative voltage to VGS, that time what we are expecting, there should be very low current flow through it, or ideally we expecting zero current, but practically we are getting small amount of current, right? But in a transistor, if we talk about base emitter voltage, that time if that voltage is negative, we expecting IB is equal to 0. Practically it is not achieved, so we are getting IB in, that is we are calling base leakage current, that is in some microamperes, okay? But in a case of gate, it is 1000 times smaller than IB, okay? So it is very small. This is the main difference we can say. And now, तो जैसे हमने बोला कि हमारे दो डिसएडवांटेजेस है ट्रांजिस्टर के, जिसमें से पहला था कि वी हैव सम वेरी लेस इनपुट इम्पिडेंस ओवर हियर, और ये इनपुट इम्पिडेंस को फिर ओवरकम किया है इन जेफेट. सो इन अ जेफेट we have good amount of input impedance which is very high. And the last point we can say, the JFET is not having any kind of channel and it is allow current to flow smoothly, so the noise level is very less, okay? So noise level is very less in a JFET as compared to transistor, as transistor is having higher noise level than that of the JFET. Now let's consider MOSFET field effect transistor. Now if we talk about the MOSFET, we are simply call it as the MOSFET is again two type of having two types. So that will be, so MOSFET is of two types. First is depletion type and second is enhancement. Again, in a both we have N channel and P channel. Okay, so N channel depletion region MOSFET is there, and P channel of depletion MOSFET is also there. Same it is applicable for the enhancement, where we have N channel enhancement type of MOSFET and P channel enhancement type of MOSFET. So now we will see the basic of MOSFET. Simply I'll tell you, if the depletion type MOSFET, what is the difference in that? In a depletion type of MOSFET, we have one depletion region, like as we have this kind of NPN regions over here. This is the complete N region, where we are taking hardly small part, that is of P region, and we are taking a gate over here, we can say. Okay, and this is the part where we are having drain, and this is again a part where we are having source. Now here we are having gate. Okay, so this is our gate, but the gate, there is one SiO2 layer, and that layer is nothing but the depletion region, and this is N channel MOSFET with the depletion region. If this substrate is a P type and having N in between, so that is the P channel MOSFET, and again the depletion region remains the सेम. तो इसके सिंबल में क्या होता है, लाइक अगेन वी हैव एरो हेड दैट वी नीड टू कंसिडर. हियर वी हैव अ स्ट्रेट लाइन विच इज like not disconnected anywhere. This is the continuous line we are having, and here we have source, here we have drain, and here we have gate, and the arrowhead is indicating this the N channel depletion. इससे आपको पता चलेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक सिंगल कंटिन्यूअस लाइन है. And for the P channel, if we are talking about, then that time the arrowhead is towards the outside, and this is a continuous line over here. This is the drain, this is the source, and this is the gate. This is P channel depletion region MOSFET. Now we will talk about enhancement type. In enhancement type, this depletion region is not there. Okay, so that will make it as enhancement type. So there is a symbol difference, like we are having gates same to this, but we are having some dotted non-continuous wave lines over here. So this is the arrowhead which will tell you the type of MOSFET, that is P channel that is N channel enhancement type MOSFET. And if we have a reverse arrowhead, then that's the P channel MOSFET. So this is the P channel MOSFET, this is N channel. Here we have gate, drain, and source. So these are the types of MOSFETs we try to cover. These are the field effect transistor we have tried to cover. Now we will see the enhancement type of MOSFET, and that we will use as a switch, how to connect the gate source, and how the gate source will help transistor to turn on. And we will implement the circuit where our MOSFET will act as a switch, just like a transistor. Now here we will draw one circuit diagram, and we are giving 12 volt and operating buzzer on a drain side of the MOSFET. Okay, so here I have drawn a circuit, but now what I want is I want 3.3 volt as at a gate. To give that voltage, if I consider R1 is equal to 1K, I do have to calculate the value of R2, because I want V out as 3.3. Our Vs is 12 volt, and that will help us to calculate the value of R2. To here I'm using MF65 MOSFET. Just go and check with the datasheet and the pin number, and just using breadboard to do the circuit diagram as per the connection is very simple. Just take care of the gate voltage. If you give a gate voltage, then only our MOSFET will turn on and allow drain current to flow through drain to source. So just check with the voltage that we will provide on a gate side. Okay, so here we will go with the voltage divider whatever we require. Here in case I'm not having through hole value, so I'm using SMD component. As you saw in my previous video, I do use resistor that is of 47k just in series with AC 230 volts. So it is actually not matter with the resistor, as this is the component which you can easily place in DC AC. That's why it's called as a passive component. So here I have done with the connection of here we are getting the result as we have connected 12 volt, and we are just if we are disconnecting and connecting the VCC to the gate, we are getting circuit to turn on and off. Now what here I'm doing, I'm using, here you can see the buzzer will start blowing as we give the gate pulse. I'm using pot as a R2 which is of 104, that means it is of 100 kilo ohm, and we will place another resistor that is also with a high value 1 mega ohms of R1 we are using here. If you do the calculation here, we will not get any kind of voltage, but we have to change the potentiometer, so we will able to vary the resistor value over here. Now here, by doing some value changes, by changing the value of potentiometer, we getting the LED which will turn on and off, and that LED is connected to the collector. Okay, so collector and ground, so that is nothing but the collector here is a drain, so that is nothing but the drain source voltage that is we are getting at the LED. So LED will change the brightness as the drain current will flow higher and lower depending upon the value of potentiometer's resistor. Hope you understand the operation of MOSFET and also the transistor. Just go and check the video which I have already posted regarding the transistor. Do like, share, subscribe, and please press bell icon to get notification of the latest videos. Thank you.